Hey, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Miguel Mariz, and I'm going to talk about the quadratic functions. I'm going to talk about this topic in three different aspects. The first one is what is a quadratic function, where I'm explaining in general aspects this topic. In the second aspect, I'm going to talk about how these quadratic functions can be presented. And the third one is the graphs. I'm going to show you how to graph a quadratic function. Okay, first of all, what is a quadratic function? A quadratic function could be presented in two ways. The first one is a quadratic polynomial, and the second one is a polynomial of the degree 2. The degree 2 doesn't mean that it has to be the exponent 2. It means that the exponent could be 2 or like an even number. Okay, talking about the second aspect, the forms, I'm going to talk about this standard form. As we can see in the formula, y is equal to ax squared plus b x plus c. Here we have an example. Is 4x squared plus 3x plus 6. The second form is the factored form. As we can see in the formula, and as we can see in the name, it has two factors that multiplying are a plus x minus x1 plus x minus x2, where x1 and x2 are the roots of the quadratic function. The roots means that are the points where it crosses the x line. The third form is the vertex form. As we can see, it's different from the other one. The formula is a plus x minus h squared plus k. Here it says that the h is crossing, it's a point of the x coordinate, and the other number, which is k, is the y coordinate. Talking about the third aspect, which is graphs, I'm talking about how to graph a quadratic function. As we can see, here we have a formula, which is y equals to x squared. This is the simplest form of quadratic function. If we tabulate, we can replace the x with a 0 and the y equals to 0. So if we keep doing that, we can make a U shape that is presented like a graph. As we can see, the special points are 0, 0, 1, 0, and 2, 4. And in the other side, minus 1, 1, and minus 2, 4. Here we also have the domain and the range. The domain is minus infinity to minus infinite to plus infinite, and the range, which touches the 0, so we have to present it in this way, and plus infinity because it can go higher as you want. Here we have other aspects to graph the quadratic functions. We can like shifting. We can shift it vertically or horizontally. In the last form that I presented was the vertex form. and here it can be manifested. We can see the formula, which is y equals to x minus 2 squared plus 3. So we can see the vertex form. If we also tabulate, we can see a U shape, which is here, and the special points are moved like upward, because, as I also said, in the vertex form, this number indicates us the horizontal shifting, and this one the vertical shifting. If we can see a 3 here, we go the first point three units up, and if we see this number 2, but we have to change the sign, so we move 2 units to the right, and we move the 3 special points here, and we can see it. Other important aspect is the mirror or the reflection of the graph. Here we have 3. The first one is the x squared. The simplest form is named standard. The other one is the minus x2. Here we have the mirror. Here we can see that it's a mirror or reflection of the graph. And we have to change the graph upside down. So we have this name, it's vertical reflection. The other one is like in the first one, but it's named horizontal reflection. It doesn't move upside down, but it moves like in this way. So the points like interchange themselves. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much.